Hello everyone and welcome back to Rocky Ridge Auto. Today I'll be showing you all about this 2021 Chevy Colorado LT EXT long bed. Let's go ahead and hop inside and check out all the features it has to offer. Once we go ahead and hop in, we can go ahead and take the physical key and we go ahead and turn on the truck. Then we can go ahead and take a look up on the dash. On the instrumental panel, you can see that it has 48,000 miles. We can take a look over to the right and see your center screen and stereo controls. For your stereo, you have your regular FM and AM radio, as well as Sirius XM and Bluetooth audio. And with Bluetooth audio, you can go ahead and connect a phone and use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. You of course have your manual controls down below for your tune and volume, as well as the screen is touchscreen. Down below you can go ahead and easily connect a phone, as well as access your music and settings. In your settings, you can go ahead and access your system, app, and vehicle and customize and know anything about the vehicle that you'd need to know. Then of course, when you're in reverse, you do have a backup camera with parking assist, and you can go ahead and actually turn off the lines for parking as well as have them back on. Go ahead and put it back into park, and you of course have your manual controls down below, and then you have your climate controls. So your climate controls actually pop up on the screen up above to let you know and have a more visible view of what your climate controls are at. Down below here, you have your parking sensors, and the instrumental panel will let you know if it's on or off. As well as you have your traction control, your hazard lights, those will pop up on the dash as well. And then you of course have your bed lights enabled as well as disabled, whichever light you on. And of course you have your lane keep. Down below you have a little bit of storage as well as charging ports. Go ahead and access your USB or car plug-in to charge a device. Then looking behind that area, you have your cup holders as well as of course your gear shifts. A little bit of storage for some extra keys as well as some storage in the center console. Go ahead and shut that, and that's a nice armrest. Then for the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your volume behind the wheel. That way you can easily adjust your volume while driving, as well as you have your instrumental panel settings. So you can go ahead and adjust your trip, vehicle, and eco, as well as you have your hands-free calling and voice commands. On the left hand side you have your cruise control settings as well as pre-collision alerts, and you can go ahead and actually adjust how far or how close you want the alerts to notify you. Then behind the wheel on this side, you have your station adjuster, so you can go ahead and adjust your stations while driving as well. Behind the wheel, you have your exterior and interior lighting settings, super easy to use, as well as you can always adjust it to be auto. Then on the door panel, you of course have your window controls, as well as mirror controls and door unlock and lock. We can take a look at the interior of this truck. You have your cloth material that is a gray material, as well as some light stitching around, and overall a super duty inside, considering most of these trucks are used for work. As well as you have automatic seats, so you can go ahead and move forward and backwards easily. Now if you go ahead and open up to the back, you have suicide doors as well as a little bit of storage in the door. Behind the center console, you have another 3 charging ports as well as some storage. Overall, great space back here for some tools or work things, as well as you do have a little bit of some tools to help you fix a spare tire or things like that. You can go ahead and shut that door first, and then go ahead and shut the driver door second. You can go ahead and check out the bed of the truck. Go ahead and easily put down the tailgate, and you have a nice area for putting tools, hauling things, everything like that. And it is lightweight, so you can easily put it back up and lock into place. But overall, I think that's all I have for this 2021 Chevy Colorado LT EXT long bed. If you have any questions, feel free to text or call 717-733-8985, or you can always stop in for a visit. We'd love to talk to you. Take it for a test drive. See if you like it. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.